Are you suffering from back pain? What are the reasons of back pain and how to cope it? Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about back pain and how to deal with it. But before we get started, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons so you can stay updated with our videos. Your back is like a strong support beam for your body. It's made up of bones, muscles, and discs. Sometimes, things go wrong, and it hurts. Common causes of back pain. Back pain can happen because you lift heavy things the wrong way, sit for too long without good posture, or even when you're stressed. It can also come from injuries or health problems. Basically, your back is saying, something's not right. Stay active and exercise. To keep your back happy, you should exercise regularly. Think of it as giving your back a little workout to keep it strong and flexible. Simple activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can help a lot. Proper posture matters. Imagine your back as a tall tower. To keep it strong, stand and sit up straight with relaxed shoulders. Slouching is like making a tower wobble. Lift smartly. When you have to lift something heavy, bend your knees and keep it close to your body. This way, your back won't get hurt. Comfortable sleep. A good night's sleep is like a cozy blanket for your back. Get a comfy mattress and pillow to support your back while you sleep. Mind your stress. Stress can make back pain worse. Relax with deep breathing, meditation, or doing things you enjoy. Think of it as giving your mind and back a break. Conclusion: back pain is common, but you can make it go away. Follow these simple tips to have a happier and healthier back. Your back is like a good friend, so take care of it. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a pain-free, comfy back. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or want us to talk about something specific, just let us know. Take care of your back and yourself. See you soon. Top of form.